What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below anything that you would like to see. So now tonight it is, I don't know what time it is, 9:30, whatever the case is, and I am going to take this mess down in my head. I did these Jamaican twists in my hair about 3 weeks ago, protective style, because my hair is natural, to avoid putting heat in it or any products or whatever the case is. So okay guys, so here it is. I slicked my hair down. Yeah, I've been natural for a year and 3 months right now. So this is my hair after I took it down. I'm sweating. This is it. So I will be back to show you the finished look when I apply my wig. I'll be back.
Here, all the way around the back. This is where I'm going to start sewing on this braid all the way around the back. These are just two big braids going on all the way around the back. And here is the ponytail to that. I'm just going to tuck those in. Again, I'm just going to sew the wig on around here.
Okay guys, it is about 6:20 in the morning. I was supposed to upload the video for you guys last night, but I ended up getting home pretty late. So right now I am getting ready for work. And here, this is what I had on. It's a wig that I made. I cut the inside of it out, and you can hear Zoe in the background. I cut this part out because clearly that's the part that's going to be showing. This is just a closure right here. That's my finger, you see through it, and now my finger is gone. So I am just going to put this on. I made this, what's this? I made this like last year, and I never really wore it because I didn't know that you had to cut the inside of this out. So this is just how I do it. I made it on a dome cap, that's what this is. And again, I just cut this part out, and I'm going to sew it around my head. Here, okay, y'all, so hopefully y'all see what I did. It was kind of like, you know what I'm saying, not put together real good, because I was supposed to do it for y'all last night, but I didn't get in until late, so I just like kind of KO with those. So like, if you have any more questions about anything, you want to see something redone, just comment down below. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any other videos that you guys would like to see. guys would like to see like my morning routine, my eyebrow routine, my lash routine, anything that you guys would like to see, I am open to showing you guys. I don't put on like a full face of makeup no more like I used to. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below. So I'm on my way to work right now. I'm about to take this little guy to daycare. So I feel like it came out pretty good, you know. When I first was wearing them, I was not cutting out the part where you could see the lace set. And also, by the way, I've been natural for only like a year, 3-4 months, and my baby hairs do not lay. Okay, so they lay for maybe like the first hour, and if I start sweating or eventually, the edge control that I use is just like feel like I never did it. So if you guys have a good edge control that you use, please comment that down below, you know, so I can start using that. Or if you have a routine that you do with your baby hairs, comment that down below as well. And again, these lashes actually are mine from my collection, Dramatic Fetish. If you guys would like to know more about that, also comment down below. I can do a video on that as well. Right now I am wearing the lashes called Date Night. They are very, very full and very dramatic looking, like me. So yeah, if you guys would like to purchase them as well, please comment down below. I do drop offs. I meet you. I can mail them out. So yeah, these are pretty full and dramatic, very wispy, which is what I like. These are 5D 100% mink lashes. Okay, 100% mink. So I'm pretty happy with the turnout. I had a flat iron it already last night, so I did not have to do that this morning. Thank God, because I'm always running late per usual. I can't wait to look back on this video when I'm making some money and be like, oh well, I don't have to wake up and go to work anymore. But until then, you know, with the help from you guys, I will be going to work late per usual. So again, subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos. Again, comment down below any type of video you guys want to see. If you want to see, like I said, my eyebrow routine, my lash routine, you want to see another wig routine, I do have another curly wig that I will put on for you guys. It is another closure that I made like last year, or maybe the beginning of this year. I wore that one also. It looks really good, really natural. So yeah, if you want to see any other routine, anything that you can think of, natural hair, the products I use, anything of that nature, please comment anything you want to see down below right now. Don't forget to smash that like button and also smash that subscribe button as well. So today is July 10th.